Prepare a screwdriver, a brush, some sponges and cleaning cloths. Open the side panel of the machine. Inspect the oil outlet for any blockages. Open the filter box. And remove the filter element. Check the condition of the filter element. If it has been used for an extended period, replacement is recommended. Place the filter element back into the housing. Ensure it's installed in the correct order and orientation. Open the oven. Use a sponge to clean the interior of the oven. Removing most of the oil and grease. Clean the corners of the oven and the LED light strip. Close the oven. Start the powder shaker. And turn on the paper feed switch. Clean the platform. Turn off the paper feed switch. Use a brush to sweep off the powder from the surface.